Hi guys, this is Suzanne with Sweet Tea and Whimsy. Please join me today as we do a fun project. We're going to take this lamp that was given to me by a friend and we're going to give it some new life. Yes, although this lamp looks really good as is, we're going to transform it into something brand new. So guys, grab your glass of sweet tea and I'll throw in a little bit of whimsy as we take this old lamp and make it something new. Guys, here are the supplies you're going to need today. Grab yourself an old lamp. You may have one at home that you want to refurbish, or listen guys, the thrift store is never in a shortage for cute lamps that you can redo. You will also need some dollar store flowers, chalk paint, scissors, paintbrush, and a glue gun. Then we're ready. Let's get started. The first thing you will need to do is to remove the blooms from the stem, and then you're left with a small piece of plastic tubing at the bottom of the bloom underneath, and you will simply snip that off so that you're left with a flush bottom that's easy to adhere to the lamp once you start to glue it. Next, we're going to be painting the lamp. We're going to paint the base of the lamp as well as the lampshade. Today, I am using a linen white chalk paint, and I will paint all of the base of the lamp except for the crystal balls. I will leave them as they are. Just look at the difference in this lamp already. It has a new, fresh look, and I'm excited on how this is going to turn out. In between each coat of paint, I allow it to dry completely, and then I come back and wet wipe some of the paint off, exposing a little bit of the color underneath, giving it somewhat of a distressed look. And as I mentioned, you will also paint your lamp shade. You will want to give it at least 2 coats of paint to cover up the pattern that may exist already on your lampshade. Now you will begin hot gluing your flowers to your lampshade. In this situation, I decided to glue the larger roses alongside the bottom edge of the lampshade, and later you will see that we're also going to hot glue some smaller flowers along the top edge. You will continue this process until you have finished gluing all of your roses to your lampshade. hope that you enjoyed today's project. I am so happy with the results of the way the lamp turned out. Guys, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell notification. Future videos will include DIY projects, repurposing projects, thrift hauls, home decor, gardening, sewing projects, and a whole bunch more. So be sure to stay tuned to Sweet Tea and Whimsy. Thanks for watching. See you next time, guys.